सो हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू न्यू वीडियो। और आज हम आ चुके हैं फिग्मा कन्फिग के इवेंट में। बैंगलोर में हम हैं, ठीक है। एंड ये जस्ट पे करवा रहा है ये वाला इवेंट जो है फिग्मा का। सो एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर एट द वेन्यू और ये 2 बजे रखे हैं अभी के आसपास की। थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए 10-15 मिनट, बट ठीक है। अभी हम जाएंगे इवेंट में एंड बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स लोग आ रहे हैं। रजत भाई आ रहे हैं, 2-3 और फ्रेंड्स लोग आ रहे हैं। सो उनसे मिलेंगे, देखेंगे क्या है। अब की बार रजत भाई पैनल में हैं, सो दे आर गोइंग टू स्पीक, राइट। एंड लेट्स सी क्या क्या देखने को मिलता है। जो भी चीज़ें होगी सारे इसी व्लॉग में आपको मिलेगा। एंड आप भी बताना कि क्या आपने फिग्मा का इवेंट ज्वाइन किया था या नहीं किया था, अगर आपको इनविटेशन आया था। एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। तो भाई एंट्री वगैरह करवाई इन्होंने, एंट्री कर दी है। अभी जा रहे हैं ऊपर। रजत भाई तो आ चुके हैं, जा करके मिलते हैं उनसे क्या सीन चल रहा है।
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so these are name tags.
Okay.
These are something design related you're interested in.
Okay.
And this is something else. Can be food, can be hobby, non-design related something you're interested
okay.
in.
So we need to fill all those.
Yeah. No. One, and then like tag yourself.
Okay. Sure.
That's about it. Yeah, please.
Okay. तो चलो भाई, यहाँ पे नाम लिखना है। कलर कौन सा लें? ये अपने थोड़े ब्रांड के साथ जा रहा है कलर।
So
ये वाला
these are
colour
the name
लिखते हैं।
tags. Please write your name.
और वहाँ लिखते हैं।
So something design related you're interested in, and also something non-design. Can be food, can be hobby, can be anything.
नाम हो गया। On this, what we need to write?
Anything design related you're
Okay.
interested in.
Anything design related. क्या लिखें भाई?
3 days later.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर।
ओके, एक गोला ले लेते हैं भाई, गोले में लिख देते हैं।
Many months later.
ऑफ कोर्स बाइक, राइट। चलो ये लो, ये अपना रख के देखो। थैंक यू। चलो भाई, वो सब तो हो गया। एक झोला दिया भाई, एक झोला। एवरीवन इज अ क्रिएटर करके। सो लेट्स गो। यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है। ये स्टेज है और ये कुछ लोग हैं। अरे रजत भाई, अरे रजत भाई, कैसे हो सर? बढ़िया। अरे क्या हाल है भाई? कैसे? बढ़िया बस।
The theme of the day is everyone is a creator. With the introduction of AI, it is easier than ever for all of us.
पूरा ज्ञान बांट रहे हैं अभी इधर। अभी लोग आए ही नहीं है भाई। वैसे भाई इस पे मेरा वन ऑफ द फेवरेट इमोजी बना है, हार्ट देने वाला। अच्छा, एवरीवन इज अ क्रिएटर, जस्ट पे।
Able to see results. So we're going to talk about today how to hone design sensitivity in non-designers. So I don't want to point fingers so as to say non-designers, but let's say shifting everything that goes out. But there's a big team involved who touches everything that you design. So that's why it's very important.
And number 2 is just raise your hand. Our volunteer will come to you and you have to give answer. And
Slack.
yes.
Oh, nice.
Guys, by the way, we space and be more creative. George Singer planted the seeds of this, these ideas years ago, what he explored GP3 and what he could do with this designer plugin. And we're so excited they joined our team last year.
Over the course of last 8 years, I have actually had multiple definitions of what a design system is. And over the last 1 year in PhonePe, there is one very unique definition that I've settled for, and that is you could have colors, you could have components in your system, but unless that system is being actively maintained, as a few designers are using it, unless that system is actively being maintained, it shouldn't be called a design system. Because that is kind of the crux of having a design system. You can build a design system. Anybody skilled enough in Figma and design basics can build a design system. But once you build it, you're like, अब तो हो गया. अब तो design system बन गया, चीजें consistent होने वाली हैं. And 6 months down the line, जैसे करके you're like experimenting and you're coming up with new ideas, you're not adding them to the system, and that system slowly starts to fade away. And that is why, for me, a design system is, yes, a set of logo blocks that help us design, all of that, which is also being actively maintained.
We have Keith with us, and he's working in a Geo. So, Keith, what would be your message for newcomers, new designers who are about to start their journey in the industry? So, what would you message to them to start in a big organization like Geo, or you can say those who wants to work on a big scale of production, basically? So, what would be your message for that?
I would say, honestly, start with a sense of purpose, and I think that drives you more than looking at how to serve the organization. Because once you have that purpose, it automatic, and if it resonates with your organization, I think you can directly connect with, say, the team and the goals of the organization. So I think it's just about finding a purpose and let that drive you to achieve your goals.
Yeah. So, and anything that you want to say to new designers, maybe something different, or maybe something basically I remember that example that you gave about the solar system to understand the designs, right? So I like that a lot. So something like that, do you have anything that you can say that makes dent in their mind to understand the designs?
I would say no. Honestly, no. There isn't. I don't wanna say something fancy and confuse people. but I would say, I mean, just one thing, that going back on purpose, I think passion is the cliche thing. Passion is overrated. Don't be constantly looking for happiness or constantly looking for that. Just look for the purpose. Like that will keep you, I think, focused on the mission that you have for yourself, and that will get you going even through tough times. And design is tough. Everyone should know that. It's not easy. So there will be so many tough times, but I think having that, knowing your goal at the end of the day for yourself, keeps you going a lot better than thinking of like, hey, I need, because passion usually is confused with happiness as well. So you don't want to be constantly chasing happiness, because then it's gonna screw things up for sure. So you want to just make sure your goals are clear, and that will definitely drive you. I think you'll be an excellent designer.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Keith, with your thoughts. Thank you.
Yep.
चलो भाई, इवेंट ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गया. एक कुछ ये दिया है.